Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to do an open cup pour. I'm using, I have no idea, I have Deep Turquoise by Liquitex. Is a heavy bodied paint. Um, the consistency is it runs off the stick, but it also leaves a slight mound, but immediately disappears. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the thickness of my paint. I have anthraquinone blue, and I also have teal by Golden. It's their fluid acrylic, and I just added Floetrol about to right here, and then just squirted some in and mixed it to the color that I desired. Too much Floetrol will, and not enough paint doesn't make it as vibrant. And then this is a blue that I have no idea what color it is. So, actually, no, this is the anthraquinone blue. I apologize. And this is the blue. I have no idea what it is. It might be the Prussian. No, I'm sorry. Phthalo. It's actually, let me see here, because I poured it out of another cup that I had. I'm pretty certain that it is the phthalo blue red hue, and that is a Liquitex paint, but it's a heavy body paint. So yes, that is definitely it. Okay, so this one's a little bit thicker than the others, so I want to make sure my consistencies are fairly close for my open cup pour, or other colors will run more fluidly, and this one will be sort of more stagnant and staying in place. So much better. All right, and now I have a really thin base coat. I mean, it's almost water thin, which I'm gonna put down, and then the cup on top of that. And then I'm using Golden's iridescent gold, and it's fine, it says. So I'm just gonna squirt that on top, freehand. So no mixing with this at all. So we'll see what we get. So just want to let you know, my workstation is a bit messy from last night's 3 foot by 2 foot pour. I did a ninja swipe on a really big canvas, and there's a bit of a mess everywhere, but I didn't want to move it because I do like some of the drippings, so I'm hoping that what I do today will add to that. Maybe it won't. Maybe it'll just make a complete mess, and I'll lose all my drippings from last night. I have my Lolly V silicone mat underneath. I was pouring a lot on it off camera just for skin purposes and small canvases. So I have it underneath here. Last night you couldn't see it underneath the 3 foot by 4 foot very often unless I was picking it up, which I did have to do. It was a monster to deal with. But if you guys look in the description, you can get $5 off by using the promo code. So definitely jump on board and take a look at that. They're fantastic. It's super thick. The skins peel right off of it. I do love it. I just don't use it very often with my larger pours because the paint goes off the edges. Now, I need to get gloves. I have one glove. So we're working with one glove today. I thought I had more, but I did not. I was very incorrect. So we're just gonna get going with this and coat the canvas, and then I'll be right back with you to do the open cup. Okay, so I'm all coated up here. I'm gonna get my tiny little cup here, and we're gonna do a puddle right there. All right, my white is really thin. Reorganize myself there. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little bit of Deco Arts gold. We'll see if I'll add any more, but right now that's where it's going to stay. All right, I'm gonna put the gold in. Okay. So pretty. Gonna bring you guys in so you can see it. I think I'll add a little more blue. All right, so that is what we're gonna do with that. And let's see. Okay. Okay, so I think that'll be it. A little on the outside. I'm loving all of this. So let's see here. Okay, get these out of the way. Let that sit and think about its purpose for a minute. And I'm gonna get all my cups out of the way. I don't wanna knock them over. All right, so I have the TV going on in the other room. I forgot to turn it off. Such is life. Actually gonna put a little white around the edges just to help it move. Really is not a whole lot of paint. I think what I'm gonna do is that. I think that's where I'm going to keep it. I love the movement in this. It's so pretty. So, yes, we're gonna keep it just like this. My hands are covered in paint. Not used to painting without gloves. That was quite a strange feeling. I'm just gonna get this corner. Okay, we're gonna bring you guys in. I love it. Oh, so cool. The gold popping through. And it's stretching off over here. Almost like a butterfly in flight, or it's a flower. I'm not sure, but I love it, and I think it is so pretty. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want notifications for any upcoming posts. And ring that bell. So, thanks so much. I hope you guys have a great Monday. Bye for now.